everyone, my name is Hoài Trang, but you can call me Trang. I'm from Vietnam and currently studying at China Medical University. Today I'm excited to have the opportunity to share my journey and experience with English manual of interesting ME courses.
When I first began taking ME courses, the experience was truly transformative. At the beginning, I faced many challenges. Understanding complex contents and expressing myself in English were not easy for me. However, with the continuous support of the teachers, interactive learning methods, and lots of practice, my confidence has improved significantly. I have not only become more fluent in English, but I have also developed critical thinking, problem solving, and professional communication skills that are essential for my future. ME courses such as lecture on traditional Chinese medicines and lecture on modern biomedicine have not only enhanced my personal knowledge but also kept me updated with the latest research in the field, furthering my personal growth. My friends Hou Yuxun, a Taiwanese student at CMU, and I often share interesting insights from the ME classes. One of the most rewarding aspects of my experience has been the chance to collaborate with classmates from diverse backgrounds. Group presentations and studying sessions have taught me the value of teamwork. Moreover, the importance of listening to different perspectives and how to respect and understand cultural difference makes me both a better daughter and a future teacher. To everyone considering ME courses, my advice is simple: embrace the challenge. It's more than just learning in English. It's about personal growth, developing valuable skills, and connecting with incredible people from around the world. Once again, I'm especially grateful to the teachers whose guidance has been fantastic, and to the organizers for providing such wonderful learning opportunities. Thank you for allowing to share my journey with you today. My story will inspire more students to take on the challenge of ME courses, share their experiences, and make the most of the incredible opportunities